2-5-6 par. In the heart of Nairobi, where the hustle never stops, there's a place where printers find their fix. We're at the top. Vanderburg implies where expertise resides. Printer repair in Nairobi, we're the ones you can't deny. At Vanderburg Imagining Supplies, we'll bring your printers back to life. From HP, Buchanan, Epson, we'll fix them, no strife. Brother Samsung, Xerox, and more, we handle them all. Printer repair in Nairobi, we'll answer your call. Located in the CBD, Odeon Cinema, Tevita Road. Step into Apple Building, where our skills are bestowed. On the first floor, room 2, you'll find us with pride, ready to solve your printer issues side by side. At Vanderburg Imagining Supplies, we'll bring your printers back to life. From HP, Buchanan, Epson, we'll fix them, no strife. Brother Samsung, Xerox, and more, we handle them all. Printer repair in Nairobi, we'll answer your call. Customer care is our priority. We're here to assist with numbers at your disposal. Never a moment missed. Dial +27 twin 556824 or 25 47 77 56824. We'll be there for you, bringing solutions galore. From the classic